What's up, you guys? As you can see, this is not my room. I'm actually visiting family in southern Denmark. Now, to the main point of this video, it's about the PS Plus free games coming out throughout the year. And this is just simply a question that I have. Also seeing from the last comments or comments in general in my previous videos. This is about Sony or PlayStation changing the games the game for the PS Plus free games, like at the last moment, because this month should have been Pro Evolution Soccer 2019, but it got replaced with Detroit Become Human. Now I'm not even complaining about this decision. I am actually very, very happy, and I could see there was actually some who complained because they were very excited to get a football game. But I really wanted to play Detroit Become Human for a long time now. Actually wanted to purchase the game since it's on sale, very cheap. But then they announced that Detroit Become Human would be replacing Pro Evolution Soccer. Now, while I was browsing through the interwebs, I was thinking, is this going to happen again maybe next month or next month again or anytime soon? Is it because Sony is actually listening to their customers? Because we are the customer playing on PlayStation. When they announced Pro Evolution Soccer to be the free game of PS Plus July, there was, I think, around 16,000 dislikes and only 2,000 or 3,000 likes of the news. So maybe they were like, okay, we will replace Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 with something awesome and huge, a AAA title, Detroit Become Human. So I'm like, okay, is this going to happen anytime soon again? Are we lucky enough that our opinion matters? Let me know down in the comments what you think about this. And if you have any knowledge at all regarding this, let me know down in the comments as well. So, alright, that was it for this video. I will do some predictions, or not my personal predictions. I'm going to take something from the articles of PlayStation blogs and so on next week or even next week again. So until then, I'll see you all again next time. And if you want to see me stream on Twitch, I think it'll be this or this. Somewhere here I got a lower third with my Twitch name, or just follow the link in the description box down below for my Twitch channel. Now, I'll see you all again next time. Bye!